I decided to continue the unboxing video, even though this was actually a different video because I just need to tidy up the laptop, obviously, because it will not be used anymore for the next package that I try to unbox. So basically, there are a lot of packages that I basically want to unbox in this video, but it's basically pretty short because it's pretty much unnecessary and cheap package. So most of the package was actually come from overseas that I just basically only want to utilize the free shipping promotion in certain e-commerce that I basically not really often to buy there, especially expensive things there. But since I just want to buy several things from overseas that basically pretty cheap, so I just decided to bought it several package and from various kind of sellers. But for the first package is actually from my favorite e-commerce that I just don't know, that I just wanted to test the free shipping promotion as well on how much that I basically can get, because for some reason the limit of the free shipping is no longer shown on the application, so I just don't know. Whether it is still available or not. So the rest of it is basically come from overseas. The first one is actually for the Apple Watch SE that I just recently bought during my vacation. So I just wanted to buy the silicone case for the Apple Watch itself. So yeah, so I basically already tried to buy any kind of Apple Watch case for my old sealed Apple Watch from the previous vacation, that basically more than 6 years ago. But yeah, I just don't know where did I basically put those accessories, so I decided to buy it again. Just too lazy to find it, those little things. So the second one is actually the second package that just recently unboxed. Is basically a plastic eraser that I just don't know what basically the function is, because it's basically like a pen without an ink, so I just don't get it how those technologies actually possible. But so I just decided to test because it's pretty cheap either, even though I basically didn't bought the mounting for the pen itself, so it's just the tip for the pen. So the last package is actually battery pack converter from AAA battery to AA battery. So yeah, that's all. This is already the end of the video.